One of my favorite kind of homes to list is one that has an original owner. But what makes it even better is when that original owner has taken such care of the house as well as updated it, expanded it, added all sorts of custom details. Wait till you see the end with the guest suite and the master suite. They're both amazing. So I'm Linda Arpino with the Positive Arpino Realty Team. Behind the camera is my partner Bill.
Hello everybody.
I am enjoying one of the added things that they have put on in the house, which is this is the front deck. Beautiful pillars, mahogany deck, 2 porch swings. So sit out here on this lovely day. But we are going to head inside and take a look at 29 Buckboard Dr in Westford. Those going to kind of be in the neighborhood and the front yard. Take a look at the meticulous landscaping.
Yes, I love their landscaper. That's my joy in my house, is outside puttering around. It's very therapeutic. They did a great job here. Beautiful work, all the blossoms coming out on the trees. Right behind you, Linda.
We're going to head first into the living room.
Close the door on me. Don't let the door hit you.
So I might use the word custom lot because I have done a lot of different beautiful updates to the house. So up top you'll see the crown molding around the room. A little bit lower it has the custom raised wainscoting, which is very pretty. So just the extra details that and sort of thoughtfulness that was put into the design. Has a beautiful bow window area overlooking it. So there's lots of windows, lots of oversized windows in this house. As we walk through, you'll notice that. And then they did an addition in '99, which expanded the house. And the place where you're going to see one of the benefits of that is the open concept as soon as we walk out of the living room.
And Lauren is watching, and she stole my natural light comment. She loves all the natural light.
So here is the big open concept. We're going to start in the family room. So when they bumped out the house, which went the ability to add this family room as well as that porch I was sitting on. So that door Bill is showing right here. That's the door that leads right out to that front porch and the swings that we were on. And as you pan around, you can see the custom mantle, the built-ins, the cabinets. It does have a vaulted ceiling in here as well, which adds to the open feeling of it. Has the picture window in the back. Just again, sort of the care and the thoughtfulness in their design really shows through. They added the pillars, which are also a very nice feature. It sort of elevates the space, also gives it a little bit of definition to say, here's sort of the family room area. As we walk in here, we're going to see the sitting area, again with a bay of windows. This was part of the addition as well. Adds like a tremendous amount to the space. You have the ability to walk out on your deck. We'll end there so you can see the outside and the deck area. The entire first floor does have hardwood flooring. So Bill now is has an eat-in kitchen area, which then leads into the living room, and you can see they have the French doors that you can close for the living room.
I'm just going to swing back around just so you can see
Let me get out of your way.
from the sitting area back into that big family room with the fireplace and all the built-ins. It's really, really pretty. And there's the French doors Linda was talking about.
The And then that leads us opens up into the kitchen, and it does have a breakfast bar area right at the beginning. So you have the ability to, have a little bit more of a family sit-down area, or you can use your counter space and sit at the breakfast bar. They do have the stainless steel appliances. Very pretty tile backsplash to it, a little bit of a nice design, fence out. So they have the range top. And then they also have, over here, the double ovens, which I would love to have in my house, but I do not.
Someday, Linda, we'll
Someday.
get you double ovens. I'm just gonna pan this way. I always love the window over the sink. You can look out into that pretty backyard and deck that we are going to end on. And I'll just pan back this way. So you can see how much of a nice open concept it is. You can entertain your guests, you can be in the kitchen cooking away, and keep an eye on everybody.
Hobby has lots of cabinet space in the kitchen, but it also does offer pantry space here, as well as 2 additional closets on either side of the half bath.
And I'll pan in the half bath.
And again, the hardwood floor continues into the half bath. It also has wainscoting around, a little extra detail to the bathroom, which you don't often see. And a pedestal sink.
There we go. I'll just stay out of the mirror. I'll back my way out.
So next we will head into the dining room. Again, we have the French doors.
Lisa is watching.
Hi, Lisa. So similar to some of the features they carried into the dining room that were in the living room, so they do have the crown molding. They do have the same bow windows. And then they do have the raised wainscoting. That was difficult to say for me.
It was difficult the first time, too.
I know. Must be the R in the dining room. Anyway,
Cool.
and a built-in cabinet,
Yeah, the corner.
which is pretty.
And it's a beautiful sunny day, so you can see all of that light streaming in. It's really nice.
So next we will head upstairs. So they do have, it's heated by forced hot air by gas, and they do have central air conditioning as well.
And so I'm right back at the front door that we started. And if I look straight down the hall, that is the kitchen. And we're gonna go upstairs now.
Here we go. That same hardwood is brought all the way up the stairs, through all of the bedrooms. And just when we see the bathrooms, that does have tile. So we'll start with the extra bedrooms and end with the main bedroom. So this one has the 3 windows in it, the double closet area. I'll show you. So the closet's over here. And then it does have a walk-up attic, which is this door here. It's a very good sized bedroom, fits that's a good sized bed, plenty of extra space. Now we'll head into the second bedroom, again with the hardwood coming in. This one overlooks the backyard. It's also a very good sized bedroom with the sort of double-sided sliding closets. Laundry is on the second floor, which is great. Where you know the dirty laundry comes from, so why not keep it here? So I'll just open so you can peek in, so it has the top and bottom, nice
Ooh, there's my shadow.
washer dryer. And that is included. And then another sort of a thoughtful design that I've mentioned. So you have the 2 bedrooms there. We'll show you the full bath that those bedrooms use. But also if you had wanted sort of a guest suite, so if you have people that are visiting. So they put this barn door on, so you could close the whole barn door and make this its own separate suite. So when we walk in, you'll see right to the right, they put built-ins and drawers, so this would work in sort of kind of a linen closet. So your guests have this to use. And then this will be the bedroom. Again with the 3 windows, 2 in the front, 1 on the side. Nice sized bedroom, good sized closet.
I'm going to swing all the way around.
And then for the bathrooms, the other thing I love, it's also in the main bathroom. So this one, it has two doors. So the first door lets you come in and you can see that it has the sink. That is a marble, beautiful marble countertop, tile floorings. And then the second door then gives you the privacy of the rest of the bathroom. So you can still utilize taking a shower while somebody's in here brushing their teeth, using the mirror. Nice tile surround shower with the insert. Again, so here is your barn door. So we can just, privacy. We'll see you, Bill.
Bye.
Here we go. And put that up. So that's a really, you don't often see that, and a nice, interesting feature.
That's
And now we're heading to the main bedroom. So the size of this and the expansion was part of when they did their addition, allowed them to make this into their main bedroom. Has some pretty picture window up high. It is the vaulted ceiling. Does have a nice ceiling fan. We do have a walk-in closet that's here. I love the color contrast with the door. It's one of my favorite little features, and the doorknobs. I love those kind of crystal doorknobs. So I'll let Bill go in first, because I just want to show you another feature that they've used.
Let me spin around.
So here they have a mirror, but also if you open it up, so you have another mirror where you can put all your jewelry on, sort of inlaid. And then the master bathroom has a double sink. The hardwood continues through here. That is a quartz counter. They do have the shower stall in there, and again with the double door, because this one actually has a pocket door. So the same kind of concept where you can still be using your outside sink area, and someone can be taking a shower. And another one of those details that you would appreciate as the homeowner, people don't always think of it. So this sort of shiplap is very pretty, is the wood. But one of the things they changed is just the very last one is like an AZEX product, so it's a composite, just so when the water hits it, it wouldn't end up making it soft wood, like if it were wood all the way down.
That's smart. It is a very intelligently designed home. They put a lot of thought into it.
So we'll head back downstairs. If you have any questions, people, put them in the comments. We're happy to answer. So about 2017, 2018, that's when all that work was done on the upstairs bathrooms and the updates that we just shared with you in the bedrooms. The furnace was updated in 2021. Another cool little feature. Look at this, Bill. They actually have a charging station in here. So take the phones off the counter, so you don't have to have them hanging around.
Nice.
Look at that. And then I think, did we say the garage? That was the garage door, right?
Yeah, straight down the hall is the garage, so you're walking right into your kitchen area, which is great.
The basement is unfinished at the moment.
I agree, Lisa. It is a beautiful home.
And now we'll end up outside on the deck. So the outside of the home is a clapboard. It's a cedar clapboard, which is very nice. Mahogany deck, just like the front porch was mahogany. They have the flagstone patio and walkway. And it abuts about 45 acres of open space slash kind of common land for the neighborhood. So you have a nice private backyard, which is, very well landscaped as well. It's a little over half an acre of land. It does have a 2-car garage.
It really is beautiful. Such a pretty day.
Yes. So, literally, we say there's nothing you have to do to move in. There's nothing you have to do. Just move in, make your own memories. It's beautiful.
And invite us over to sit us, so we can sit outside and enjoy this beautiful backyard.
That swing someday, you can I would
Just wave.
Yes. So this one is going live with showings starting on Thursday. So Thursday through the weekend will be showings. I'll always do on the Monday. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Put them in the comments. We're always looking afterwards. And enjoy your day.
Thanks everybody for watching.
Take care.
Bye-bye.